So I bought a pineapple. Pussy tight, pussy clean, pussy fresh. Oh, you go. Oh, you go. Ah, give us a dig, 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 give us a dig. Yo, what's up, Betty Squad? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your pretty girl Blackbird, and you already know what's up, child. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a minute. I'm sorry, my voice might probably not be going with the video, but I'm having sound problems, so I had to compromise. So basically, I'm just introducing the vlog that it's been a minute, and I found these footages on my iCloud, and it's a few videos that I took before I lost my phone. So yeah guys, please do enjoy this vlog, because I thought I would not just let go of it. I need to post it, and I need you guys to see it and give you a little bit of content while I'm still away from you guys. So I hope you guys will enjoy this. Yeah, so do watch and enjoy my darlings. Bye. Guys, good morning. I am currently rushing. I forgot to do my intro in my room. Like, I forgot. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah. It is yet another day. I'm currently on my way to morning start in Sentin. And yeah, because I have training. Why do I look like such a baby? I should have done my makeup. But anyway, good morning, guys. I think my Uber is here already. I'm sure it just now. Uber is here. I have to go.
2,000 years later.
Guys, hopefully back. Is I left around I left around 8. Yeah, I left around 8, and it is currently 2:03. I'm so tired. I'm so tired, and possibilities I might just go to work it tonight, but I don't know. I'm just still skeptical about it. So yeah, guys, let me share this. On my way back from the training, I got in at ShopRite, and Woolworths, and got myself some essentials. They're essential for me, right? So yeah, I got myself some essentials. Got myself some milk. Don't have anything to eat cereal with in the morning. Got myself yogurt. Got myself some bread from ShopRite. And I got myself a chocolate, right? I wanted to try out these new editions. Yeah, and then at Woolworths I didn't get much. OV. Went to get my favorite muesli, and I saw bought a pineapple. Pussy tight, pussy clean, pussy fresh. You know, if you know, you know. If you know, you know. So yeah, guys, I'm back. Yo, I'm tired. Yo, I'm so tired. I'm just gonna make myself some muesli because I've been craving it for the longest time, and I didn't have it. So I'm just gonna make myself some muesli. Put this pineapple in the fridge, and probably just sleep, wake up, and eat the pineapple. Because I've also been craving. I've also been craving pineapple for the longest time now. No, I hate when my shades do this. So, because I don't shave, go shave. I don't want to hide behind the reflection on my shades, on my specs. So yeah, guys, I'm back. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Let me open my room because I haven't got to my room. I went to a bathroom.
And let me go and open my room and decide to and kind of make food next time. Because I woke up in the morning and I was struggling to wake up. So I'll see you guys later. I'll talk to you guys later if there's anything happening, because I might just go to like it. That's why I need to sleep. See y'all.
I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what frat you was in, you can't out for me. Keep dreaming. Pineapple juice, I give a sweet semen. I know what they like, so I just keep cheesing. Hard drive full of heat seeking. Tryna come the same day as Jack, rethinking. You don't need Givenchy, you need Jesus. Why do y'all sleep on me? I need reasons. I got plex in the mail peak season. Shout out to my UPS workers, making sure I receive it. You could do it too, believe it. I've been throw up the sex in her. And I can put you in. I can put you in. Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now, damn. I guess I am. You might be the man, well, that's unless I am. Okay, I'll confess I am. Go ahead and get undressed, I am.
Crying, how can it pick you? When you gave me something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were jogging. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear, yeah. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that was fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again with your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet.
I just finished making myself some breakfast. It's late though for breakfast. It's like 12 o'clock. Guys, don't judge my hair. Don't judge it, because life is like a ride.
Now yeah, you are, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying into morning. Running away to the land of discovery. hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on, then fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys them know me. Since so
I literally just finished cooking. I didn't take you guys through the process because it wasn't necessary. I was lazy to cook starch or wait for the rice to cook, so I decided to put it on this pork stew with noodles. So never mind my dirty plate because I did the noodles in the plate and I moved them in the pot, so it's quite dirty because I'm using my resources are limited. Yes, that's what I have to say, and I was lazy to just wash the plate again because there was noodles inside. So yeah, let me just show you guys.
I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, so you know you know me. Music chose me, just know this and know peace. I did lonely, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come wifey me slowly.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm broken, you make me feel whole. Whenever I'm lonely, you're there for my soul. Wherever you are, girl, that's where.
Sanbunori Kunjani. Hi guys, welcome back to yet another day in my life. Welcome back to yet another day. Woke up so busy. I thought I was gonna wake up and study today, but there's a possibility that I might go out tonight. So I woke up and I cleaned my makeup, washed my brush, washed my sponges because I don't remember the last time I washed my sponges and my thingies, my brushes. So I did that. I washed my wig properly so I can install if I am going out. Okay, so yeah, I'm just wiping like the products that's like things like these. I'm just wiping them because yeah, my makeup looks like, I don't know. So I have had like alcohol in my room for the longest time, but I just couldn't drink because I've been on antibiotics. I was sick. Yeah. So, but you're right, man, you guys, you're right. You don't have to worry. I'm okay now. So, cheesy, because it's Saturday today. People are up and about, guys. Oh, because literally, if you don't have money, you can't do shit about your life. Like, literally, you need money to do anything and everything, to be entertained and what. So right now, I'm thinking, girl, I put 2 bananas in the deep freezer, and I was like, Yo, I wish I wasn't Portugal because I have a whole 12 packet ice cream press and the mele because I want to give I want to give away on Instagram. Yeah, I learned a lot of experience. So ngavela ngawina 12 pack. Yeah, I straw pass. Before I eat, drink it with a straw. Oh, that was too good. Okay, that was. Guys, this is nice. Panini, my girl. Love you loads, son. Anyway, yeah, so I'm drinking my panini. I'm busy clearing my things. As soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna take out my books and study a little bit. These are gone. I was thinking of installing and doing my makeup just in case the person that said that they are gonna come and they're gonna take me out today takes and like come, because now come to what come to what. So yeah, and I will tell you guys, I'll keep you updated. I don't know if I do go out. I'm definitely going out clubbing. So ndizawunixelela guys.
I'll be there. I want to be dancing with you forever.